Are you tired of juggling multiple tasks to manage CIS for contractors? Then we have Nomi for you. A robust solution streamlines the entire process from submitting subcontractor verification requests to tracking invoices and CIS deductions. With Nomi, you'll have all-inclusive CIS features at your fingertips. Submitting subcontractor verification requests is a breeze with Nomi's swift and efficient process. Plus, you'll never have to worry about losing track of invoices or CIS deductions again. Nomi keeps everything organized and easily accessible. Generating subcontractor payslips, certificates, and CIS 300 is effortless with Nomi's user-friendly platform. And if you're looking to offset CIS deductions against PAY due in payroll, Nomi's got your back. With Nomi, you can even submit CIS returns directly to HMRC without ever leaving the platform. Say goodbye to the hassle and headache of managing CIS for contractors. Nomi has you covered every step. Now, our CIS module is well synchronized with our bookkeeping profile as well, ensuring that any posted invoices will be reflected in both the bookkeeping and CIS modules. This streamlines the process for accountants. To begin, add the subcontractor, and if the supplier is already created, you can link it accordingly. This is a one-time task for efficiency. Now on the CIS dashboard, there is a quick overview of the due submissions and overdue returns. That is the CIS submissions for which you have missed the filing. The upcoming returns will let you know how many more to be filed, and you can check for specific periods by switching between the various options in the dropdown. If you are filing anything and it fails, then it can be tracked under failed submissions, and you can also view the total number of contractors. It also shows you a section where you can see the deadlines by accountant, and you can also add or import the contractors with the help of a CSV file. Now we'll move towards the contractor list. Contractor list will display all the contractors, and you can search for a specific contractor using the filter options such as name, UTR number, etc. From this screen, we can navigate to the individual dashboard of any of the contractors where we can then raise the invoices for the subcontractors. Then we'll move towards the CIS filing. Now on the CIS filing, you can check the returns which are ready for filing. And if you want to search for a specific period's tax return, then the filter options are there for any submissions you've submitted, and you can click on view submission on the top right corner. To file a submission to HMRC, you can select the relevant record and then click on submit electronically. So that you can do from here. Now after this, we have the CIS failed report. So under the CIS failed report, if you've made any submissions and if they fail due to any reasons, then you can check on the screen and use various filter options such as contractor name, financial year, the filing period, date range. So all that is there. And now we will navigate to the CIS dashboard of a contractor, Nomi contract. So on this dashboard, which is the contractor CIS dashboard, it will brief you on the historical and current filings. A list of active subcontractors is there, as you can see, and the invoices which you've raised. So the invoices are also there. And if you want to raise any of the invoices or add subcontractors, all that, you have to just click on the new label which is present in the top right corner. So if you click on that, you will get few of the options such as new invoice. So if you point your mouse, you will get the new invoice, and from here you can raise an invoice. So to create a subcontractor invoice, you will have to click on this and then select the nominal as labor cost of sale and populate all the information there. Then you get the batch invoice. So under batch invoice, if you're looking to add multiple invoices for different subcontractors, then you can enter it through the batch invoices. Then you have the new subcontractor. So under new subcontractor, you can add a subcontractor which you want to verify with HMRC, or if they are already verified, you can just create them and add them there as a subcontractor and update their verification details. So you have to click on this, click on new subcontractor, and here you can update all the information and you can verify as well. And finally, we have the import subcontractor. So import subcontractor is nothing but you can import all the subcontractors. Let's say there are 40-50 subcontractors, then you can import them through the CSV file. It will also show you the current tax year in the top right corner and the current period end, so for which you have to do the filing. Now after this, we'll move to the reporting section, and if I click on reports, then here we can check various reports such as CIS payslips, payment and deduction statement, CIS 300 monthly return report, all that is there. So we'll view how the payslips look like. So the payslips will be listed here, and you can view the payslips. You can email the payslips in bulk to different subcontractors, and to view it you have to just click on this PDF icon. So you can see the payslip. This you can send. This shows the payments and deductions for the subcontractors. So this is the CIS payslip. You can email it to them. Apart from this, you can also share the reports such as the payment and deduction statement for the subcontractors. There's a subcontractor list you can check from here, and you can also send the CIS 300 monthly return report to the contractor if you want to, the submission history. All that you will find under this screen. Now once all these reports are communicated, the next step would be to click on CIS filing, and from here you can file the CIS return. So you have to come onto this section, and here you will have to select the record. And once you select the record, then you will have to click on submit electronically. As you click on submit electronically, the return is submitted to HMRC. So you can directly submit the CIS 300 monthly submissions to HMRC from Nomi.